有请Yulia同学发言。
大家好，我是社科学院的本科毕业生Yulia，同时也是来自俄罗斯的留学生。
Standing right here, representing countless students at the graduation ceremony, is the highest honor and recognition for me. But right now, words just fail me. Should I share how much effort I've put in before standing on this stage? Or should I share what extraordinary experiences I've had to become an outstanding graduate? I think neither of these stories can actually describe my undergraduate years at Tsinghua. So before my actual graduation, the best thing to do is probably try to recall those moments of personal growth. In 2020, I stepped into Tsinghua as a foreign student, surrounded by so many unfamiliar faces. I still felt like an outsider, like a guest. By asking myself what I should do to fit in, not just a foreign student, but an actual Tsinghua student, just like them. I started to be more like them, squeezing out every second to participate in more activities, but hesitating before every opportunity, wondering maybe this is not my shot. Until one day, my classmates invited me to become the group leader, figuring that I was the most reliable in the group. I wondered if I could actually do it. Yes, probably I should have just tried. And you all know the rest of the story. After a while, I became the first international student to serve as the president of the student union. Then, the first undergraduate international student to receive the extraordinary scholarship. Step by step, I've accomplished a lot of things I had never even imagined. And it wasn't until right before graduation, when all my friends got together again to recapture those special moments. Only then, I realized that I was always a part of this place, always a part of Tsinghua. The one thing I would like to share with every future student of Tsinghua: simply remain true to who you are. As long as you open your heart and enthusiastically embrace a new life, make new friends and experience things you haven't done yet, you'll have a happy and fulfilling 4 years, just like I did. I hope you'll realize it sooner than I did, that we belong here.
We laughed here and we cried here. We left our stories in Tsinghua. And this is what I would like to share with you at our graduation ceremony. Thank you.